Hey, we didn't get a chance to chat.
Yeah, I'm gutted.
You're Frankie Doyle, aren't you?
Yeah.
Heard a lot about you.
What?
Why don't you come and see me? Hey! Why? Hey, calm down.
What are you gonna do about it?
All right, let's talk. What do you really want out of life, Frankie? Can you see yourself ever leaving this place?
Yeah. I want to walk out of those gates. All this place, and everyone in it is just a smoking pile of ashes. I want to be picked up by a hot girl in a hot car and driven off into the sunset.
See you tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
Thanks, Gidget.
Bridget.
I prefer Gidget.
What's your point?
No point. Just saying that.
You fucking serious? You asked me for honesty, which I gave you, and then you accused me of that
No,
shit.
I'm not accusing you.
Bullshit you aren't.
All right, I was worried about you, that's all. Was that supposed to impress me?
Why would I want to impress you?
Can't blame me for thinking there's a connection.
I'm bored, Gidget. I'm sick of everyone and I'm sick of myself. I hate it here.
Frankie, let her go. Disappointed, Frankie? Professionally and personally.
I could give a fuck.
I want you to be serious. Yeah. Got lost.
Shut up.
You're a good person, Frankie.
I'm not a good person.
Yes, you are.
I fucking killed Meg Jackson.
It's hard, the curse of stars before you left.
Would you do this for any of them?
How life carries on endlessly.
It's about what I told you.
No, it's got nothing to do with
It's
us.
got everything to do with that. You pushed and pushed for me to open up, and now that I have, you don't know what the fuck to do with me.
You heard of the term transference? In a patient-therapist relationship, romantic feelings can develop. A story about me.
What are you afraid of?
I couldn't help but ask you to say it all again. I tried to write it down, but I could never find the pen. I give anything to hear you say it one more time. That the universe was made just to be seen by my eyes. I couldn't help but ask you to say it all again. I tried to write it down, but I could never find the pen. I'd give anything to hear you say it one more time. That the universe was made just to be seen by my eyes.
But I do know that I don't ever want to go back to being that angry girl in the kitchen.
Explain the infinite.
That's the truth.
Miss Westphal, your statement, please.
I have never treated a client with such potential as Frankie Doyle.